Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're already in Gmail, so start by selecting Messages to archive. Use the search bar or labels to surface the conversation you want, then tick the checkbox or open the thread. Archive when you want to clear the inbox but keep the message in all mail. This preserves searchability and attachments. Once done, make sure you haven't selected spam or trash by mistake. Archiving is fast and reversible, so begin with a small set to confirm behavior before bulk actions. Now choose how to archive. Click the Archive button on desktop or press E for speed. On mobile, tap the archive icon or swipe a conversation. Adjust swipe actions in settings if needed. For multiple messages, filter by sender, label, or date, then select all visible results and choose Archive to move everything to all mail. Make sure to check the selection preview so you don't archive important threads accidentally. This middle step saves time and keeps the inbox focused. To finish, confirm archive success by opening all mail or searching the sender. Archived mail isn't deleted and you can move to inbox anytime. If you change your mind, click Undo right after archiving or open the thread and select Move to inbox. If messages seem missing, make sure filters didn't auto-apply, check labels and other folders, and verify Gmail sync on mobile. A key troubleshooting tip: enable full sync and rerun the search. Archived mail should reappear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.